for 2 to 3 times. Come, let's chop it. Now I'm chopping the fenugreek. Now put the fenugreek in the vessel. Next we are putting the wheat flour. Salt to taste. Add some water. Now knead the dough. Now our dough is ready. Now let's add some butter. Now take a piece of dough and roll it. Now add the wheat flour on the dough. Let us cook it. Put the pan in the stove. Add some butter and spread it. Now let us wait. Let it cook now. Let's put some butter to it. It's looking yum and let us taste.